What mechanics do every 3 months but never tell you about. Most drivers have no idea that every 3 months, mechanics perform a quiet routine on their own cars, but they almost never do it on customer vehicles. Why? Because this simple 10-minute ritual prevents engine failure, transmission slip, overheating, misfires, and even brake disasters. And mechanics know that if customers did this on their own, their repair business would drop overnight. In fact, when we interviewed 17 veteran mechanics from Toyota, Honda, Ford, and independent shops, they all admitted the same shocking thing. What we do on our own cars every 3 months is not what we tell customers. And by the end of this video, you will know the exact 3-month checklist mechanics swear by. The checklist that keeps their cars lasting 300,000 to 600,000 plus miles, while most drivers struggle to reach 120,000. Stay to the end, because the number one habit is so simple. You'll be furious no one ever told you. Section 1. Why 3 months? The secret mechanic calendar. Most people follow mileage schedules. Oil change every 5,000 miles. Tire rotation every 10,000 miles. Coolant every 50,000 miles. But mechanics don't think in miles. They think in time. Why? Because real-world engine wear happens through heat cycles, moisture accumulation, oxidation, and pressure imbalances, not just miles. A car that drives 2 miles a day suffers more long-term damage than a car that drives 40 miles a day, because short trips build condensation, fuel dilution, and sludge. So mechanics do a microservice every 90 days to reset aging before it begins. It's like brushing your teeth. Do it often, and cavities never start. Section 2. Mechanic habit number 1. The 3-month oil health test. Most drivers skip it. Before you think, I just changed my oil? I'm fine. Here's something surprising. Even fresh oil can be damaged by moisture, fuel, and carbon in under 90 days, especially on turbo engines, GDI engines, and cars that take short trips. Mechanics test their oil by pulling the dipstick and looking for color, smell, film strength. Here's what they look for. 1. Light gasoline smell. Fuel dilution. This thins your oil and destroys bearings. 2. Milky color. Coolant contamination. This is the start of a head gasket failure. 3. Too dark, too thick. Oxidized oil. Heat has broken it down early, especially in turbos. 4. Dipstick streaking. Metal particles. Early sign of cam or timing chain wear. Most mechanics told us, if the oil doesn't look right, we don't wait. We change it early. This is why mechanic-owned engines last forever. They detect failure 3 months before it becomes a problem. Section 3. Mechanic habit number 2. The 3-month tire pressure reset. This saves engines too. Most drivers think tire pressure only matters for safety, but mechanics know tire pressure affects transmission stress, engine load, fuel economy, wheel bearing wear, CV joint lifespan. Driving on underinflated tires increases engine load by up to 18%. That's the same wear as towing a trailer every single day. Mechanics reset tire pressure every 90 days because ambient temperature drops cause pressure. Lost rubber slowly permeates air and small leaks accumulate over time. Proper pressure restores factory performance instantly. Mechanic tip: set it 2 psi above the door sticker for better fuel economy, as long as you don't exceed the tire's max rating. Section 4. Mechanic habit number 3. The hidden 3-month battery inspection. A weak battery is not just a starting issue. It damages electronics, ignition coils, alternators, and even fuel pumps. Most drivers wait until their battery dies. Mechanics don't. Every 3 months, they check resting voltage, charging voltage, corrosion at terminals, ground strap resistance, because a battery that drops below 12.4 volts is already considered partially discharged and can double alternator wear. A mechanic from Honda told us, when a battery works harder, the alternator works harder. That's a $600 repair you could avoid. This simple check adds years to your electrical system. Section 5. Mechanic habit number 4. The 3-month cooling system peak prevents overheating. Coolant doesn't just cool engines, it lubricates water pumps, protects aluminum surfaces, and stops corrosion. But coolant can lose protection fast due to contamination, electrolysis, hot spots, air bubbles. Mechanics do a quick test every 90 days. They squeeze the upper radiator hose. Should feel firm, not brittle, not mushy. They check overflow tank color. Should be clear, not brown or rusty. They inspect for crust around the radiator cap, early sign of pressure leaks. They check for bubbling. This can indicate early head gasket issues. A cooling system failure destroys an engine faster than almost anything, which is why mechanics never gamble with it. Section 6. Mechanic habit number 5. The 3-month air intake cleaning. Your engine will feel new. This one is shocking because it instantly affects horsepower, throttle response, fuel economy, engine temperature. Mechanics remove dust and debris from the intake area and vacuum the airbox to remove fine sand. Fine dust reduces airflow by up to 30%, causing the engine to run rich and wear out spark plugs early. Most drivers never do this. Mechanics always do. Section 7. Mechanic habit number 6. The 3-month brake feel test reveals hidden danger. Here's something mechanics do that almost no driver ever thinks about. Every 3 months, they perform a simple 5-second test. They press the brake pedal and feel. They check 3 things: travel distance, did the pedal sink lower than last month, firmness, is it getting slightly spongy, initial bite, does braking feel lazy for the first second? Why does this matter? Because brakes rarely fail suddenly, they fail slowly, and the pedal feel changes long before the pads look worn. A soft pedal can mean moisture in the brake fluid, air bubbles forming, a failing master cylinder, glazing on pads, deterioration in rubber lines. According to ASE certified techs, over 60% of brake failures could have been prevented if drivers noticed pedal feel changes even 30 days earlier. A mechanic from Subaru put it perfectly. Your pedal tells the truth long before your dashboard does. This quick 3-month test prevents disasters. Section 8. Mechanic habit number 7. The hidden transmission check. The one they never tell customers. Dealerships often tell customers, your transmission is sealed. It doesn't need service. Mechanics laugh at that. On their own cars, they check the transmission every 3 months. Here's what they do. Quickly, quietly, privately. They check for delayed engagement. If the car hesitates shifting from park to drive, that's early clutch wear. They listen for cold start shifting noises. Whining on cold mornings equals early fluid breakdown. They check for red fluid stains under the car. A transmission leak is 10 times cheaper to fix early. They monitor shift smoothness. A slightly rough shift today is a $3,000 rebuild tomorrow. Mechanics know the truth. Transmission damage happens long before the fluid is dark or burnt. That's why they watch the symptoms, not the color. Section 9. Mechanic habit number 8. The 3-month engine sound scan. Better than a diagnostic tool. The human ear is more powerful than people think. Mechanics can detect early failure simply by listening. Every 3 months, they listen for ticking, valve, lash, cam wear, low oil flow, knocking, bearing clearance issues. Check whining alternator or serpentine belt. Checkmark rattling heat shields, mounts timing chain guides. Engines don't suddenly start making noise. They whisper the problem first, then they scream. A mechanic from Toyota told us, if you learn your engine's language, it will never surprise you. Section 10. Mechanic habit number 9. The 3-month cabin air filter refresh. Engine efficiency trick. Most drivers think cabin air filters only affect the air you breathe. Wrong. A clogged cabin filter increases blower motor load, alternator load, and overall engine load. Mechanics swap or clean this filter every 90 days because a clean cabin filter reduces AC strain, improves fuel economy, reduces window fogging, protects sensitive AC sensors, improves airflow to defrost systems. A clogged filter can force the blower motor to work 2 to 3 times harder, leading to premature failure, usually a $200 to $400 repair. Mechanics avoid that. Drivers don't, because nobody tells them. Section 11. Mechanic habit number 10. The 3-month undercarriage inspection. The secret that saves thousands. This is the biggest secret of all. Mechanics regularly put their own cars on a lift, or crawl under them at home every 3 months. Why? Because everything that kills a car starts underneath it. They inspect, check mark oil leaks, check coolant leaks, check mark transmission seepage, check torn CV boots, check mark cracked bushings, rust beginning to form, check exhaust leaks, check loose heat shields. One mechanic described it perfectly. A $20 clamp or seal can save a $2,000 repair if you catch it early. Drivers never see the underside. Mechanics check it constantly. That's why their cars outlive everyone else's. Section 12. Why mechanics keep this a secret? Let's be honest. Mechanics aren't villains. They're not hiding this to trick you. The real reason they don't tell customers is simple. Customers would never come in every 3 months. They'd think mechanics were trying to upsell them. They'd get overwhelmed by the list. And most drivers don't want to hear about preventative care. But mechanics also know preventative maintenance doesn't make shops money. Repairs do. A technician from Ford told us, if customers treated their cars the way we treat ours, half the repair industry would disappear. He wasn't joking. Section 13. The 3-month master checklist, the exact routine mechanics follow. Here it is. The list mechanics actually use for themselves. Every 3 months, mechanic routine guide, engine, inspect oil condition, check oil level, check mark, smell test for fuel contamination, wipe dipstick for metal streaks, listen for new noises, tires, reset tire pressure, visual check for uneven wear, remove debris stuck in tread, battery, measure resting voltage, check terminals for corrosion, check alternator charging voltage, cooling system, check hose firmness, check coolant color, check radiator cap for debris, look for early bubbling, AIR system, check mark clean air intake path, check mark vacuum airbox, check filters, brakes, check mark pedal feel test, quick rotor visual, check fluid level, transmission, check shift smoothness, inspect for leaks, listen for whine, undercarriage, inspect for leaks, check CV boots, check bushings, look for rust, inspect exhaust system. This entire checklist takes 10 to 15 minutes, and it prevents 95% of the expensive repairs most drivers face. This is why mechanic-owned cars routinely last 300,000 miles, 400,000 miles, even 600,000 miles. Not because they're lucky, because they catch problems long before they grow. The one thing mechanics wish drivers understood: engines don't die of old age, they die of neglect. Because in the fight between metal and chemistry, heat and friction, wear and time, your engine will always lose, unless you give it attention before it asks for help. Your car doesn't need new tech. It doesn't need miracle additives. It needs the same quiet habits mechanics use on their own cars.